Ruksora. I am 9 years old.
Hi, I'm Holly. I am 6 years old.
We live in New York, United States of America. We came when I was 6 years old.
When I was 3 years old, we came here. Now I'm 6.
During 3 years, I started first, second, third grade.
I started only on pre-K. Now I'm in kindergarten.
When I came to this country, I didn't know English at all. When I was first grade, I was getting better talking English because I was talking to my friends, and now I know English. And at second grade, I was good at English, but I need a little more practice. But now I'm in third grade, so I know good English, I know good math, good writing, good reading, and social studies and science.
When I came, I didn't know any English, so I came to here and I go to kindergarten and I learn better English, and so I get better at English and better at reading and better at writing and better at science. So that way I get better and I know how to speak now English.
On first grade, I learned how to read the words, how to count, how to spell, and how to plus and minus, and how to sound the words out, and learn the letters and the numbers.
In pre-K, I learned to draw and write and to learn English better. That time when I was not pre-K, I would not know any English. Now I came to pre-K and kindergarten. So I am kindergarten now. At pre-K, I was knowing a little bit. Now at kindergarten, I was knowing better.
In second grade, I learned how to do writing. For example, in writing, we did poems. We wrote poems and stories. And at math, we learned rounding to nearest 10, hundreds, and more stuff. On reading, we read a book and we answered questions. Our teacher gave us a paper to answer questions and read a book. On third grade, we are doing math, writing, reading, and ELA, science, social studies, and learning and typing, and it's called technology. In technology, we learn how to type without looking at the typing keyboard. We learn how to go to internet and type things on the internet, and learn how to do stuff and follow the rules. If you don't follow the rules, the computer won't help you. So I have this book. It's Brain Quiz, and it has phonics, spelling and vocabulary, reading and writing, math skills, addition and subtraction, multiplication and fraction, shapes and measurement, time and money, social studies, and science. So I'm going to go to science. It tells you the pages. Let's see what do I have in science? Well, in science, you actually learn something like here. it said water goes round. Read about the water cycle. Okay, let's read it. Water cycle. Sun shines on the sea and on rivers, lakes, and ponds. The water evaporates and becomes a part of the air. Water in the air is called water vapor. The warm water vapor rises. The higher it goes, the cooler it gets. When water vapor cools, it forms clouds. Rain falls from the clouds. Water from the rain runs into the sea and into rivers, lakes, and ponds. Then the cycle begins again. So this is something about science. I told you how they get the the water goes round. How the water goes round to the sun. And I just want to tell you about water and water everywhere. Read about water. Let's read about water. Liquid. Water is a liquid. Liquid water is wet. Rivers, ponds, lakes, and the sea have liquid water. Clouds are made of tiny water droplets. So we know that clouds are made of tiny droplets. And liquid is water. Or waters. Let's read about gas. Water is a gas. The gas form is called water vapor. Water vapor is a part of the air. When the air feels damp or moist, the air has lots of water vapor in it. Steam is hot water vapor. Fog is cool water vapor. This is brief introduction about science.
So at school, we read and we go to science to learn science like there's a science in the classroom. So at science, today at science, we cut it out paper and we put not living thing on the writing and we put living thing on the writing. So it will be like living thing and not living thing. So, and at reading, we read good because so we can be better readers. Like we read another book at some words. And if you don't know the word, you're stuck on the word, yeah? Or maybe you don't know the word, that one, or maybe you stuck. So if you stuck on the word, you can just slowly stretch it out so you know what is that word and what is that sound and what is it saying. And at writing, we write more things, and we draw pictures, and so we draw pictures because they know what are we talking about, and we write a lot of words. It's important to write a lot of words and go back and read them, because if you just say like my dad and you're stuck on that word, and you should go back and reread. So that means you're getting good. And at math, we do a lot of things. Like we learn plus and minus. Like at minus, we take away 1 or 2 like cubes and counters. And like plus, we add more. because because the plus means there are added more, and the minus means they're taken away 2 or 1. So you should be doing this so you get bigger in first grade and next grade and second grade, and you'll be good at math at second grade and first grade. So you should keep doing this until you go to the first grade, so you can teach everyone to be a good math teacher.
Story and ingredients. This morning, our teacher, Mr. Finkel, told us the part of our homework will be to write a story. Some kids grounded because they didn't want to do it. But I was surprised, excited, but just to know what you're reading. Right now, it is not my homework because this is going to be longer than a story. This is going to be a full book. My 4th book. As a matter of fact, Mr. Finkel said we should work on our stories every night this week. Tonight, which is Monday, and also Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, but not Friday because that's when we're supposed to hand them in to her. Anyway, she's not allowed to give us homework on Friday nights. I bet Mr. Finkel wishes she could. She's really strict. But the rule in our school is you don't get weekend homework until 5th grade. That's 2 more years away. What should our stories be about? So Clark asked, what should our story be about? There's plenty of things to pick, but he can't pick one of the things. Anything you want, Mr. Finkel said. Now, pull out a piece of paper. I want you all to write down your characters, your setting, and your plot. Those are the 3 ingredients to every story. So the characters are the main person in the book. The setting is where the story takes place, and the plot is what happened. This was a little story for today.
Okay, so now I'm gonna read my book. It's called, the title is Little Pig. Little Pig. Go home, said the hens. No, said Little Pig. Go home, said the ducks. No, said Little Pig. Go home, said the cows. No, said Little Pig. Go home, said the sheep. No, said Little Pig. Go home, said the butcher, or I will make you in sausages. Yes, I will, said the little pig. So this book is about all of the animals say go home, and the man say go home, but the pig went home. Go home when the man say, because if they cut it and the pig die, so pig don't want to die, so pig go home, and the other animals when they say go home. The pig doesn't care. So that's what I'm telling about you. And today I read you a little book like this. It's called Little Pig, but I read you this. Now I'm gonna read you another story. Puppy's friend. Big Little, but this is a book, but it's Big Little, and it's like a song, not long. In, out, up, down, fast, slow. Happy and sad. Skip that. Wet day. Day and night.
So, can I just see this one? Puppy loves her friend, right? Whether it's big or small or little, fast or slow. So, what did you learn from this book? What did they teach you?
They teach me one of them are fast and one of them are slow.
But you teach that you need to be friends with your friends, whether it's big or small, or mean or nice, or if they're fast or slow. The opposite is you still need to be nice.
Thank you for saying the question and answering.
This was our first video.
We hope you like them.
If you like our video, comment down below and subscribe. You will see more videos about our English lessons. That's all from us today. See you next time.
Bye.